If you're anything like me, when springtime comes around, it is a pain to work with a nasty garden hose and deteriorating reel. Well, that all changes with this new product from AYLEID. Now, AYLEID sent over this product for the creation of this video, so let's jump right into it. All right, so let's get this retractable garden hose from AYLEID right out of the box. And as you can see here, we've got some really nice bubble packing material here, keeping it nice and safe on the inside. I really like to see good packaging on any type of product that I am buying. Looks like we have a sprayer included with this hose, and it's got multiple settings here that you can adjust depending on your watering needs. Set that to the side there. And then let's go ahead and just pull the unit out. I'm gonna set it here for just a second. We've got an instruction manual included with the hose, and then we have our wall mount for mounting this onto the wall. Now, I've had a garden hose here attached to the wall. It's one of those older style, non-retractable ones. And what this allows for here is for you to mount the retractable hose onto the wall and get some swivel action as well. And it keeps it up and off the ground and from getting dirty, things like that. But this is the wall mounting kit here in the package. And then we have, of course, the garden hose itself. Let's get it out of this bubbling. And as you can see here, I already used one of its nice features. It's got a nice carrying handle here. So if you wanted to just bring this to wherever you needed, you wanted to take it off of the wall, which you can do, you can carry it around really nice and easily. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features of this retractable garden hose from AYLEID. Now, up top, we have a really nice heavy duty carrying handle. That way you can move this around, get it to where you need without worrying about dropping it or anything like that. Now, moving over to the front of the unit, we obviously have our hose coming out here. They do offer this in multiple hose lengths. I have the 65-foot unit here, but they offer it in up to 100-foot lengths, which is really handy for those really big yards, long driveways, so on and so forth. As you can see here, it also has another sprayer that came attached to the hose in addition to the traditional garden hose sprayer. At the end of the hose, we also have a bit of a ball here that keeps that hose from slinging all the way back into the unit and getting wrapped up on the inside. I really like that feature there. And then I think probably my favorite feature so far is going to be this brush here at the front. What that's going to do is keep all those leaves and grass clippings, things like that, from getting inside and getting dirty. So as the hose retracts back into the carrier here, it's going to brush those off as best as it can to keep it nice and clean. All right, now flipping it around here on the back, we of course have our hose that is used to attach the retractable reel to your spigot on the side of your house. We've got a nice handle here in addition to the brass fitting. That's just gonna let you get a good grip and nice torque on your faucet there to make sure it's nice and tight and sealed. Of course, we've got a rubber gasket washer here to make sure that we have a nice seal so we don't get any leaks. And then we have this rod here, and this is used to mount the unit onto the side of your house. So once you have the mount mounted to the side of your house, you can put this rod through to keep it in place and allow for swiveling. All right, and as you can see, I have the mounting bracket attached to my wall, nice and tight with the included hardware. So I'm just gonna lift this up here, get it into place, and then with the included rod, slide it down through. Look at that, nice and easy rotation. Super nice there. All right, now as you can see, I have the reel attached to the side of my house, and I decided to install it right above my spigot, but you do have plenty of hose here in case you need to mount it somewhere a little further away if you need more clearance or anything like that. Now, attaching the hose to your spigot, super easy, just like any other garden hose. Just line things up, get it going on there, and twist. Now, if you need some additional torque, they do include this little adapter here on there. You can just line that up to make sure you have that nice and tight and ready to go. As you can see there, super easy to install, and we are ready to turn this thing on and get watering. All right, now I've got this hose reel from AYLEID mounted up to the house. Let's go ahead and pull it over to the garden. I'll show you exactly how easy that is. Now, as you can see here, I'm pulling this out. I do have the 65-foot model here. Just gonna keep pulling this out so I have plenty of hose. And as you can see, I stopped pulling it and it pulled right back in and I've got plenty of hose here if I even needed to pull more to reach all the areas of my garden. Now, even though I have 65 feet of hose length, I still have plenty of water pressure to be able to water the entire garden here when the time comes. All right, now once I'm done with my watering, in order to get this hose to reel back up, all I'm gonna do is give it a nice little tug and it's going to start pulling back automatically. I'm just gonna let that feed through my hand and just reel right back into the housing. As easy as that, I can let that hose hang, slide it out of the way and turn off my water. All right, now if you're looking for a way to get control of your unruly garden hose, I definitely recommend checking out this retractable one from AYLEID. Now, as always, I've got a link in the description below if you want to pick up one of these hose reels for yourself.